This, ladies and gentlemen, is the cucumber melon cooler. Okay? Glass down. Get some cucumber slices. Drop those in. Lime juice. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Alright. Come behind that with some simple syrup. And then we muddle, 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 muddle. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Nice muddling going on there. Ice in our glass. Come behind it with some cucumber vodka. Okay. And then some melon liqueur. Awesome. Shake, 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 shake. All right. Beautiful. Pour that in. Come over the top with some Canada Dry soda. Melon balls on top. Good to go.